The former President Donald Trump found guilty on all 34 counts.
President Trump did nothing wrong.
Many voices out there. The only voice that matters is the voice of the jury, and the jury has spoken.
He lost the popular vote twice, so more people dislike him than like him here in this country.
This was a rigged, disgraceful trial. The real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people.
And right now on the WHAS 11 team, we all witnessed history today. The first time in our country's history that a former president has become a convicted felon. Hello, everybody, and thanks for joining us. I'm Doug Proffitt. Late this afternoon, a jury of 12 New Yorkers convicted Donald Trump on all counts in his criminal hush money trial. The verdict coming just after 10 hours of deliberating over 2 days by the jury. Now, the jury found the former president guilty on all 34 counts of falsifying business records. Here's ABC's Rena Roy reporting tonight on the reaction from Donald Trump and prosecutors.
Donald Trump waving and fist pumping to supporters at Trump Tower, but he is now the first president in U.S. history to be convicted of a crime. A jury of 12 New Yorkers finding him guilty as charged on all 34 counts of falsifying business records. It was a dramatic shift in the courtroom. First, the judge announcing he was sending the jury home for the day. But then the jury said they'd reached a verdict. Trump went from joking with his attorney to motionless and stone-faced. The foreperson reading the verdict aloud, saying guilty 34 times, count after count. At one point, Trump shaking his head, speaking outside the courtroom next to his defense attorney, Todd Blanche.
This was a rigged, disgraceful trial. The real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people.
Trump denying any wrongdoing.
We didn't do a thing wrong. I'm a very innocent man, and it's okay.
But right outside the Manhattan courthouse, cheers as word of conviction spread. And the man who brought the case, the Manhattan district attorney, in court when the verdict was read.
Our job is to follow the facts and the law without fear or favor. And that's exactly what we did here.
The trial lasted 7 weeks with 22 witnesses, including Trump's former fixer and lawyer Michael Cohen. Trump's defense calling him the greatest liar of all time. Cohen saying in a statement, "Today is an important day for accountability and the rule of law. While it has been a difficult journey for me and my family, the truth always matters."
And Trump's sentencing is set for July 11th, just 4 days before the Republican National Convention. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.